Hi, my name is Dr. Stahl. I work at Town & Country Animal Hospital in Fairfax, Virginia. And this is my little friend Evie. She's my 6-week-old Frenchie Bulldog puppy. And we are here to talk about microchipping. A microchip is a tiny metal device. It's this big. It is inserted into the skin of your pet, just under the skin, and it contains a 15-digit code that correlates to a database where the owner puts their information. And if this pet is ever lost or stolen, all we need to do is scan the pet and the microchip number will come up. We'll go to the database and find the owner's information and reunite the pet. Typically, microchipping does not hurt. It looks like a large needle. It has to carry that microchip, which is about the size of a grain of rice, into the sub-Q of this pet's back right here. Typically though, it really doesn't hurt. So I'm going to demonstrate on my own little Frenchie here, Evie. She's gonna be our model today. Hi, hi. We're gonna microchip her today. I feel it's very important to microchip, and I'm gonna microchip my own pet. Right? Are we gonna do it? This is my own puppy, Evie. She's a French Bulldog. She's 7 weeks old, and I wanna protect her. So, we typically place a microchip in between the shoulder blades under the skin right here. So I'm going to clean the area, pinch the skin up a little bit. I'm cleaning the area. Okay, and then I take the microchip needle, going to insert. Ooh, little pinch, but that's it, we're all done. So ideally, the type of microchip you want to get is an international microchip. These are 15-digit numbers, always. And if you ever travel internationally, you will need this microchip. It is also the biggest database for microchips, and so when we look up a microchip and we find a missing pet, that database has the largest data in it. So microchipping is really economically friendly. It's usually under $125 to microchip your pet, and it's really invaluable because if there's ever an ownership dispute with you or your neighbor on who owns this pet, if you have this pet microchipped and your name is on the registration, it is very clearly your pet, and there's no dispute. If your pet is lost, stolen, and ends up at a shelter or a police station or an airport, all of these places have microchip scanners, and they will be able to reunite you with your pet. This is a typical microchip scanner that your veterinarian will have, the police will have, the airport will have, and any shelter or humane society will have. Now that Evie is microchipped, what we do is we just turn this on, scan mode, and there's her 15-digit number. This will put into the database online, and up should pop my information when I register it, and I'll be reunited with her if we're ever lost. Once we microchip your pet with the unique 15-digit code that is unique to your pet, we take that code and we put it on the online registry along with all of your contact information. If your pet is ever lost, the first thing you should do is contact your microchip registry. They will then be on the lookout when hopefully your pet is found and scanned, and they will give you a phone call or send you an email or whatever your contact information was for this pet and reunite you as fast as possible. Oh yeah, the vast majority of lost pets who are microchipped find their owners. Microchipping is only used to identify your pet and you as the owner. It can't be used to track your pet. It can't be used to track you. Thank you for watching this short video on microchipping. Microchipping is a quick, easy, painless way to make sure that you're reunited with your pet if they're ever lost.